Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I did this wonderful mauve look that you see right here. And I used the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. It's one of my all-time favorite palettes. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, feel free to keep on watching because I'm gonna show you. Okay guys, let's get started. Today I'm taking my Modern Renaissance palette and mine's a little crusty dusty, so sorry if that bothers you. I've had this thing for since it came out, and it's gotten some use out of the time. I am going to be going into the shade Warm Taupe. I'm just going to be taking that and putting it in my crease. Next, I'm going into the shade Born Fresco and just blending that in to my crease area so I can make it more mauve. Next, I'm going into the shade Love Letter and just adding that pink shade to my outer corner. I'm going to be taking a little bit of Cypress Umber and just adding a little bit to the edge with my eye. Next, I'm going to be taking Antique Bronze and adding that to my lid. Next, I'm taking my Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner and just adding a wing. Okay, I put on foundation off camera. I used the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation, and now I'm just gonna do the rest of my face because I felt like putting foundation on camera was kind of pointless because now I only use my L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation since I ran out of my other one. I'm going into this Stila Shape and Shade contour duo thing, and I'm just going into the light shade and putting that on like how I would concealer. Now I'm just going to go into the contour shade of this duo. Next, I'm going in with this Tarte Amazonian clay brush and Party. Next I'm going in with this Jeffree Star highlighter in Peach Goddess. I'm just going to be taking shade Bone Fresco and then rubbing that underneath my eyes. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I popped on some lashes and boy, these suckers are heavy. I don't know how these people do this every day. Ooh, I can't do it. I also put on lipstick. This is the Jeffree Star Holiday Collection in Deceased. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's mauve look. I really enjoyed it. I think it's rather MAUVElous. I gotta try. But yeah, if you guys liked today's video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, whatever you want to do, and I'll catch you later.